What's up, guys? Belly here, and this is my friend Terence. What's up? Our friend Red. Hi. And today, guys, I got reacting to Mario's spaghetti delivery. Because I don't know why, because he's an Italian guy, I tell you what. Because I know he's most famous in the Donkey Kong game in 1981. Yeah. Wait, because he's the most famous gorilla, because he's the most talented heroes or villains, or maybe of course, yeah, okay. Well, since nobody's here because it's only three of us, without further ado, just play this video right now. Retarded 64. Really? Just how we can explain this while he's naked?
Help me! Oh no! Princess Peach, bro!
I don't give a shit. Yeah.
Hey! I'll take that! Oh, hell no!
This is funny. Yeah, bitch. Whoa, man. You certainly having your problems.
What the fuck do you want?
What the fuck do you want? Mario, just... Damn it! You always grateful to notice. Yeah.
What's up, bro? You got a new spaghetti order. Don't be like that. Be positive.
Hey!
Well, positive? Really? Please just crash anyway. Damn, just... SMG4, just no, does it happen? Oh, that's really... Tummy crust!
Would you like some... What?
Huh? It's very fun!
Oh God!
What the fuck is this shit?
You son of a bitch!
Ugh.
Get over here!
Yeah. Let's see here these fucking trophies anyway. Yeah.
With Mario.
Don't let it get to you. This is to get money for Peach, not to show off how awesome spaghetti is. Ah, fuck.
It's just crash anyway. Yeah. Yeah.
It's shit!
You shit! Man, I feel bad with the guy. Just, I don't know why it happened. What?
voice Mario.
Not predictable. I'm gonna get you.
Oh, that hurt. Spaghetti and water.
You're not going anywhere, motherfucker. You, he's gonna crawl away.
Is it away? Oh, this is not good, anyway.
No!
Mamma mia!
I'll handle you!
I'm gonna kick your ass,
Hmm.
Don't make me. I
Well,
threw it on the ground. I'm going to rain you!
I'm going to hurt you.
The horror! Mamma mia!
Yeah, it's good. Just for it.
Do you want to
Fucking
cook?
kidding me?
Fuck this shit!
Oh, man!
Nice fighting, Dickface. Boy, you fight like a sissy. At least you got the money for Peach, right?
Of course! I'm gonna get you! Mario?
What the fuck is that? Oh, no, really? Oh, that's fucking hurt. Seriously, guys, cause I don't know why this happened. Just please don't watch it, cause I tell you what. Because I tell you it's bad for these naked guy ever seen this. Yeah, I totally agree, Terence. Cause this is most rated video I've ever seen this. Yeah, I totally agree, Terence. Cause I don't know why this is most appropriate message. Of course, yeah. Yeah, I agreed. Is that right, Belly? I mean, Belly? Yeah. Wait, how do you spell, B-A-I-L-E-Y? Yeah. B-A-I-E-Y. Belly. I forgot my name. So sorry about that. Well, no, it's alright. No worry about it. Yeah, because I would end this video, guys. Because please like and subscribe to the channel. Because I tell you what. No assist with the kiss. You need to get a job and you earn some money for the spaghetti delivery. Anyways, guys, because I will end this video. Yeah. Bye for now.